Monads in programming, often seen as a mystifying concept, can be likened to the culinary art of making a multi-layered cake. Imagine you're in a sophisticated kitchen equipped with various ingredients, data, and recipes, functions. Each layer of the cake represents a computational context or environment that enriches the data with additional flavor, side effects, such as logging or state management, culminating in a delectable dessert, the final result. The process starts with the base layer, akin to a simple data type. But as any chef knows, the true magic happens when you begin to add layers. Here, the monad comes into play, acting as a special kind of baking tool that ensures each layer adheres perfectly to the one below it, maintaining the structural integrity of the cake while adding complexity and depth to its flavor profile. This tool is not just about stacking, it's about transforming and enhancing, much like how monadic operations allow us to apply functions to wrapped values, ensuring that the interactions between these layers of data and effects are seamless and efficient. But how do we ensure that each layer perfectly complements the next, especially when dealing with unpredictable or impure ingredients? This is where the monad's true power shines, through the bind operation, often symbolized as equals. This operation takes a layer, a value within a context, along with a recipe, a function that returns a value within a context, and combines them to form a new layer that's both part of the cake and a step up in complexity and taste. In essence, monads provide a framework for managing complexity in our culinary masterpiece, allowing us to focus on the creativity and artistry of baking without getting bogged down by the messiness of individual ingredients. They ensure that no matter how intricate the cake, or program, becomes, the process remains manageable, elegant, and, most importantly, delicious. So, the next time you bite into a multi-layered cake, remember the monad, a concept that, at first glance, might seem as perplexing as quantum physics, but in reality, is all about creating harmony and order in the world of programming, one layer at a time.